How to deactivate an Instagram account permanently. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how you can deactivate your Instagram account permanently. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Instagram app on your phone. After that, tap on the hamburger menu 3 lines at the top right corner. Then select Account Center and scroll down a little. Over here, tap on Personal Details under the Account Settings section. After that, choose Account Ownership and Control. Then tap on Deactivation or Deletion and select your Instagram account. Over here, switch from the default Deactivate Account option to Delete Account. After that, hit Continue. Now, Instagram will ask you to select a reason for deleting your account. Then choose any reason to proceed. After that, enter your Instagram password to authenticate the action. Keep in mind that it takes Instagram up to 30 days to complete the deletion process, during which your account will no longer be visible online. So that's how you can deactivate your Instagram account permanently. That's all for this video.